we are in the '03 Chevy van. So I tried to start it. It turned over. It didn't start. It made a couple little like chugs and puffs like it was trying to start. It sounded to me like a spark issue maybe. So I went out and I got a new plug or cap and rotor. And you can see mine, it was a little corroded here. So I definitely didn't waste my money by replacing this. And also inside the cap, I knocked some of it off, but there was some corrosion on these. So it was time for a cap and rotor anyway. So I put it back together and it didn't start. So then if you take this off right about here, you'll see a little like cap for a Schrader valve on this aluminum pipe. Take that off and push the little thing with your key. If some gas squirts out of there, that means it has working pressure. So I knew I had fuel, I knew I had spark, and I knew I had compression, but I go to start it and it chug and chug and chug. So I went on the internet and I watched all these videos. And there was one video where the motor sounded exactly like mine. And the guy couldn't figure out how to get it to work on his tester. And he's talking to the customer in the passenger seat and he says, you know, you can do this. And he turns it like this. He says you can pull the key out on these when it's in the start position. And then he puts the key back in like this, turns it off, and it starts right up. Just like mine just did now. So I went out and I did the exact same thing. I put my key in, I turned it to the run position, I pulled my key out, I waited a second like I was talking to the guy next to me, put it right back in, turned it off, fires right up now. So I'm glad I didn't pay for a tow, and hopefully I saved you some money and some aggravation. Another symptom, a thing that was coming on was in here, this security light was coming on. And sometimes I would try to start it and it would just, it wouldn't start right away and the security light would be on. I'd turn it off, bang on the dashboard, then try and start it again and it would work. So the very first time when it wouldn't start, I did that, but I didn't do the key thing until just about a couple minutes ago. And I just let it come up to temperature and put this all back together. I thought I'd make a video to help you guys out. So hopefully this helps some people out. If I have some more problems with my Chevy van, I will post the solutions on here and keep on trucking.